What's up guys, Eric from BeatSonic here, and as we close out our 2024 and start our 2025, let's go back and let's talk about some of the accomplishments that we made in our 2024. So one thing is we added more team members to our company, and now we have a dedicated customer service team, a dedicated sales team, and we also have more members in our media team just so we can serve you better, provide more better content, and at the same time be able to serve all your customer service, tech support, and all your product support needs. And on top of that, we also have here our new media room, and this is going to be built a little bit more right now. It needs a little bit of work, and we're gonna be installing some really cool lights on here on top of all the lights that's available, just so we can optimize our content and to be able to produce nicer quality videos. And some of the new products that we added in a 2024 lineup is our Encore Alpha 3 series amplifier. Compared to our 2 series, we have 5 more watts. We also have sub outputs, so it's very easy to add power subwoofers or other additional amplifiers to your vehicle sound system while keeping it all plug and play. And on top of that, we also have more applications for our DSP Encore X. We added the new Tacoma, the Tundra, and also the 6-speaker BRZ and GR86. And on top of that, we also added the dual Qi chargers for Tundras and Sequoia. It's all plug and play, and it works with both models with or without the factory equipped wireless chargers. All right, now let's talk about our 2025. So for our 2025, we're very, very excited to go into it. We're gonna be going to some events, and also we have some new products that we are going to be adding to our lineup this year. So what do we have in store for you guys? What is new for BeatSonic in 2025? First, let's talk about some events. So in 2025, there's gonna be some events that we're gonna be attending. In addition, some events that we are gonna be hosting ourselves. First is Rigs in Coffee. It's gonna be happening this Sunday, but unfortunately, this is an event that has already happened by the time this video is up. But there's gonna be more events, bigger events that we are gonna be attending and hosting in the future so that you guys can look forward to them. At the end of January, we are also gonna be at Knowledge Fest in Las Vegas. We are not gonna be having a booth there, but my team and I are gonna visit, and we're gonna walk around and meet up with our dealers and also be able to socialize. So if you're gonna be at Knowledge Fest, hit us up, send us a DM, comment, and we'll link together. So in February 2025, we are going to be hosting our BeatSonic 15-year anniversary at AT230 Cars and Coffee, good friends of ours, and we thought it would be a perfect venue to celebrate our 15th year anniversary in the USA. And in March, there's gonna be Overland Expo held in Orange County, California. It's gonna be their first time hosting an event in Orange County. Our team's gonna be over there. We're gonna walk the show. So if you're in town, if you're visiting and you wanna link up, just DM us and hit us up. So these are the confirmed events for now. There's gonna be some more events as time comes by, especially during the summer. There's gonna be so many car shows and car meets that we're probably gonna attend many of them. And on top of that, there's SEMA in November of this year, like every year. And this year we don't have a confirmed booth space, but we will be sure to be out there creating some content and also linking up with a lot of our vendors and customers. So if you want to make sure you don't miss out any of the events that we attend, make sure you follow us on our social media channels, Instagram and Facebook, and we'll make sure to announce it on these channels. I'm excited to be going to these events, and I hope to see some of you guys there as well. In regards to products, we are very excited that we are going to be adding more products to our lineup this year, some being screen replacements for those smaller Lexus screens, and amplifiers for Mark Levinson and Lexus vehicles, and more front camera applications. So the front camera adapters for the newer Lexus vehicles and also the newer Toyota vehicles, and more S-Connect vehicle applications for cars that we haven't covered, like the 2013 and 2015 RX without navigation, or the 2013 and 2015 Land Cruiser, and also the 2013 to 2015 Lexus ES without factory navigation system. In addition to that, we are also developing and researching the European market like the Mercedes and BMW. Now the rest of the products that will be coming out, I can't really talk about too much in detail yet because we are still researching, developing them, but keep your eye out for new videos that we're going to be launching in the future as we will be announcing a new products through our YouTube page. And if you haven't yet, make sure you click that subscribe button to keep you in the loop with all the new products and all the announcements that we have for this year. That is all we have for plan for the year 2025. Our events such as the Rigs and Coffee that just happened last weekend, the Knowledge Fest end of this month, 15th year anniversary in February at AT230, Overland Expo in March, and more car events and meets during the summer, and November SEMA. And for products, we have the new applications for S-Connect, the European vehicle application that we're going to be adding, and screen replacements for those old and small Lexus screens, front camera adapters, and new amplifier applications. Alright guys, thank you for watching our video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you are looking forward to all the exciting things to come for this year. If you liked it, give us that thumbs up, give us that like, it will help us out a lot. What are you excited to see from us in the year 2025? Make sure you leave a comment below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.